Ladies and gentlemen, the Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 fourth runner-up is Miss Netherlands. Congratulations. Our third runner-up for Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 is Miss Belgium. Congratulations. The Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 second runner-up is Miss Thailand. Congratulations. And the winner and your new Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 is Miss Brazil. Which means that our first runner-up is Miss Philippines. Congratulations.